Stop by and take a look at the 2020 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, ambient lighting, rain sensing wipers, M Sport package. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.